Cesare Ragazzi Laboratories presents CNC, a breakthrough in the treatment of hair loss, a unique solution to the problem of full or partial baldness. The patented solution combines the latest technological advances with meticulous skill and attention to detail.
The CNC process begins at an authorized Cesare Ragazzi clinic. A trained consultant carries out a thorough examination and diagnosis of the client, factoring in age, gender, face shape, and existing hair quality. The consultant identifies and records the client's existing hair texture, shading, and direction of growth, as well as scalp pH, hydration levels, and pigmentation.
Although all products have been rigorously dermatologically tested, as a further precaution, a patch test is performed to ensure there is no cause for concern. Next, the consultant maps out the client's scalp and creates a replica mold. The Cesare Ragazzi consultant then transmits the client's data to a central production facility in Bologna, Italy, where a 39-stage production process is carried out. First, an accurate replica skull is produced using a patented CAD/CAM process. 3D printing shows the exact size and shape of the area of the client's scalp requiring prosthetic coverage. The Cesare Ragazzi Laboratories Research and Development Division at the main production facility has worked with universities and research institutions to develop a patented biomedical polymer. This breathable synthetic membrane replicates the human scalp and forms the base of a CNC prosthesis. The polymer, which is approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, includes antibacterial and antifungal agents and delivers optimal dermocompatibility and shape retention. The polymer breathes and adapts to the wearer's body temperature. It is heat resistant and does not degrade or release substances. Each CNC prosthesis is quality checked with precision instruments before entering the production process. The polymer laboratory is where the prosthesis is further customized to ensure the membrane perfectly matches the client's natural pigmentation. This is layered directly onto the 3D mold of each client. Virgin, unprocessed hair is stored and classified by ethnicity, color, length, and wave. This hair, which retains its cuticles, is selected and adjusted to match the client's. Hairs are then grafted from the root end onto the prosthesis. This is done by hand, strand by strand, following the direction, inclination, and thickness of the client's unique specification, paying meticulous attention to the hairline.
The CNC prosthesis goes through the final stages of quality control and is ready to be applied in an authorized clinic. This is done with a secure and hypoallergenic fixing agent, which has been certified by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The agent secures the CNC prosthesis for 4 weeks until the next appointment at the clinic.
Clients can visit their stylist to refresh their look for treatments such as highlights, colors, perms, and tints. They can wear the latest updos and have professional blow dries. Clients can now perform all physical activities with confidence. CNC allows total freedom, including swimming and high-impact sports, as well as showers, saunas, and intimacy.